Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Easter Achievement 2026 in Garden game of Roblox with some easy tricks that can save you a lot of time. If you're struggling with quests like candy trade plants, obtaining pets, planting seed, or gifting egg fruit, this guide will help you. And okay, let's get into it. First of all, guys, for the candy trade plants, this one, we need to harvest 25 candy trade plants. Actually, a lot of players get confused about it. Basically, guys, candy trade means candy type plants, not mutation. So you need to harvest plants that belong to the candy category. Just grow candy themed crops and harvest them until the quest is completed. For me, I used the blue candy pop, candy carrots, gumball, and also the candy blossom. Now for the quest that asks you to obtain a beaver pet or another pet, you can actually work together with your friend. If your friend already owns the required pet, they can trade or give it to you first so the quest can register. After that, you can give it back to them. And this is one of the fastest ways to complete pet quest without spending extra resources. Okay, and now for the planting seed quest, guys. If you already planted the required seeds before, you can use the reclaimer. Reclaim the planted crop then plant it again. This can help complete the planting quest much faster instead of waiting to get another seed. For this one, Easter gummy cactus, I actually reclaimed them and replanting them. And now for the gift one egg fruit. You can also team up with your friend. If your friend already has egg fruit, ask them to give the egg fruit to you first. Then you can give the egg fruit back to them. And it should count for the quest progress. This is a very useful trick if you don't own egg fruit yourself. And my best tip for this whole event is to play with trusted friends because many Easter quests become easier when you help each other with pets, crops, and gifting tasks. Okay, guys, and that's how I completed the Easter Achievement 2026 faster in Grow Garden. Use the candy type plants, borrow the pets from friends, use reclaimer for planting quest, and trade egg food with friends. If this video helped you, make sure that you like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching and bye.